I figured I'd come back with the rest of the song. That wasn't fair. It was a good little snippet, though. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, God is just so good. For the past 3 days, I want to say I've gotten the closest that I could ever get to God from just purging and just going through the motions. The new moon is coming, so I'm feeling that new energy. We got to mourn the old to usher in the new, you know? And that mourning doesn't just come for one day, or it doesn't just stay for one day. You could mourn a whole season. Pray that entire season. Fast that entire season. God will make a change. I know it firsthand. Try crying 40 days and 40 nights. Just praying for a breakthrough. Praying. Wondering when the pain is going to end. Wondering when you're going to be pulled out of that ditch that you dug yourself into, or that ditch of how deep that hole in your heart feels. Some people just don't know love, and some people you just can't teach. But the people that are teachable, they're empathic anyway. But the people who you can't teach have been already seasoned and controlled and damn near possessed their entire life, and they don't know. That's where these generational curses come from. When you actually really think about how in history they talked about generational curses and all the dark, dumb stuff that people be playing in that they know nothing about, that can ruin their life. There's also a such thing as earth angels nowadays. So